Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can use PortPro's new AI chat. Let's start a new conversation. I'm going to ask, show me a list of drivers that currently do not have a load assigned. So you can talk to PortPro the same way that you would text a coworker. No fancy commands, just normal, everyday language. What PortPro is doing right now is it's searching through your TMS, finding drivers, seeing which ones currently do not have a load assigned, and will return that information to us in a table format. Now let's ask the opposite question. Show me a list of drivers that do have a load assigned. Same process. PortPro is going to think for a little bit, check the TMS, and then return that information to us in a table format. Great, now let's save this conversation and call it driver availability. I'll be able to come back to this conversation and reference it in the future. Now let's create a new conversation. This time I'm going to ask PortPro AI to show me a list of all of my empties. PortPro is going to search my TMS, it's going to look for any containers that are currently empty and return that information to me in a table format. Once the list is ready, I can either download it as a CSV or I can email it to myself or another coworker. And then let's save this conversation as empty returns so that we can reference it in the future. And that's just the beginning of what PortPro AI can do. You can think of PortPro AI as your personal assistant that knows everything that's happening inside your TMS. So to get started, head to the AI Hub, click AI Chat, and start exploring. If you run into any difficulties or you have questions, feel free to reach out to your CSM. They'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching!